Continuation of your lesson number 3, page number 22. We are of the same blood, you and I. The monkeys have stolen me. Watch the way they take me. Tell Balu and Bagheera of the council rock. Mowgli, while being taken away by the monkeys, he saw on the top, in the sky, and he saw a Chil there. So he asked Chil to go and tell Balu and Bagheera where those monkeys are taking them away. Chil nodded his head to show he understood and then flew higher to follow them. Nodded in yes. Chil said yes and had to show that he understood what Mowgli had spoken and then flew higher to follow them. And Chil started to follow where the monkeys were taking the Mowgli. Chil too knew the ways of the monkeys. Chil also knew that monkeys are naughty. They don't follow the rules of the jungle. They never go far, my friend. They never do what they plan to do. This time they will have trouble with Balu and Bagheera. Chil is trying to convince Mowgli that don't worry. They will not take you much far. They never do what they plan. Means any time they plan out something, they don't follow that plan. This time they will have trouble. Now this time Balu and Bagheera are going to trouble them and going to teach them a lesson. Bagheera and Balu were mad with fear and worry. Why? Because monkeys have taken Mowgli. Monkeys have taken Mowgli. Why didn't you warn the boy, Balu? Balu ran hard thinking he could catch the monkeys. Now Bagheera is scolding Balu that why didn't you teach him or why didn't you warn the boy regarding those monkeys? We may catch them yet. Balu was running hard to catch hold of those monkeys. But you can't run fast enough. Sit down and think. Make a plan. Now Bagheera said, Balu, we cannot run very fast as the monkeys. So sit down, we'll think and we'll make a plan. Balu was always ready for action. Bagheera always used his head. But finally it was Balu who had the answer. Balu always was ready for action. He was ready to do anything. But Bagheera was intelligent, so he always used his head. Means he's used his brains. But finally, at present, Balu had the answer. Balu had a plan for getting Mowgli free from the monkeys. I have got it. What a fat, stupid bear I have been. The monkeys are afraid of Kaa, the rock snake. He can climb as well as they can. He steals the baby of monkeys at night. Let's go to Kaa and ask him to help us. Now Balu said, I know Kaa, the rock snake, is the one who can help us to get Mowgli. Why? Because Kaa can climb high up on the trees like monkeys. Why? Because Kaa always steals the baby monkeys at night. So let's go to Kaa and ask him for help us. Bagheera did not know Kaa well. He was not sure that this was a good idea, but Balu was hopeful. As Bagheera didn't know much about Kaa, he was not sure whether Kaa is going to help or not. But Balu was hopeful that Kaa will help us. Turn to page number 23. He is very old and clever. Above all, he is always hungry. We can get him to help if we promise him many goods. Balu said, he is very old. Kaa is very old but clever. Over that, he is always hungry. He can help us if we promise him to give him many goats to eat. Together, shoulder to shoulder, means together they walked together. The two worried friends ran off to find the snake. Both of them moved together to find out the snake. Kaa was a python, not a poisonous snake. So his strength was in his huge body, not his teeth. Means Kaa was a python. He was not a poisonous snake. So poisonous snakes have the strength in their teeth. But this poisonous snake has the strength, is powerful by his body, huge body. In fact, he thought poison snakes were cowards, fearsome. Balu thinks that those poisonous snakes are very fearsome, means fearful. Balu and Bagheera found him relaxing on a rock in the warm sun. Now, Balu and Bagheera found Kaa, the rock snake, on a rock in the warm and sun, looking at his beautiful new skin, which always took 10 days to change. Now, a snake changes its body or skin, changes its skin, and it takes around 10 days. Now, at present, recently, the snake has changed his skin. So, he was lying on top of a rock in the warm sun, and was looking at his own new skin. The great python was doing fantastic twists and turns with his long body. Balu knew he was thinking of his next meal and warned Bagheera to be careful. Now Balu knew that this python is thinking of his next meal, next food, what to eat, and warned Bagheera to be very careful. Don't go very near to him, otherwise he will eat you up. He hasn't eaten, and that is good. But he can't see well after changing his skill. He could hit out at anything. Now Balu says, as he has changed his skin, he has not taken, because for 10 days the snake lay down to change his skin. So he has not eaten anything for a very long time. It is good for us. But he can't see. When he changes his skin, he can't see. He could hit out at anything. Means when he can't see anything, obviously he can hit out at anything. The wise bear shouted a greeting to let Kaa know who was coming near, and then approached slowly. Like we people greet each other by saying hello, good morning, good evening, like that. So Balu also greeted the poisonous snake, the rock snake, not the poisonous snake, the rock snake, by saying, good hunting, Kaa. The great python stretched himself to see who spoke. Stretched himself means spread his body and wanted to see who spoke. Then greeted Balu and Bagheera. In return, Kaa also said, "Oh, Balu, what are you doing here? Good hunting, Bagheera. Any good food nearby? I am as hungry as can be." Now, Kaa is talking to Balu and Bagheera. First of all, he greeted them and then asked for food. Is there any food nearby? I am hungry as usual. We are hunting. We are trying to find food for you. Balu knew that you must not hurry, Kaa. He was too big and too dangerous. Balu knew that you must not hurry, Kaa. Means one should not immediately speak to Kaa regarding what they wanted. He was too big and too dangerous. Though he was not poisonous, but he was dangerous too. Let me come with you. I usually wait for days on the path, and the branches of the trees are not always strong. I nearly fell last time. The monkeys woke up and called me names. Now, Python is saying, Kaa is saying that let me come with you. Means as Balu said, we are trying to hunt something for you. Python said, let me come with you. I usually wait for days on the path. I wait for many days on the way to find out my food and the branches of the trees. When I climb on the trees, I fall down because they are not very strong. And when I fall down, the monkeys call me by different names. Means they call bad names to me or tease me. Bagheera took this chance to tell Kaa all the terrible things the monkey said about him. Now this was the time they came to get help against monkeys. So when Python himself spoke something against monkeys, this was the time Bagheera thought this is the time to tell Kaa all the terrible things the monkey said about him. Now to make Python angry, Bagheera and Balu wanted to speak all the terrible things they try to make the things to provoke Kaa against monkeys. Rest of the lesson I will explain in the next video.